you are welcome in my channel. In this class, I am going to tell you about adjectives or determiners. Let's talk about determiners. Friends, determiners are the words which you cannot change in English grammar. For an example, a and the, these are articles and you cannot change it. You have to use it properly as it is. And some other words are also determiners like whole, some, many, much, more. These are the words which you cannot change in English grammar. It is called determiners. Now let's talk about adjectives. Friends, adjectives is a word which describe noun or pronoun. What do I mean of noun? Noun is the name of person, place or thing. Like Rahul, Abhilasha, Sweetie, Rashi. These are the name of person. These are noun. Or any city, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Bengaluru. These are the place, city. And books, tables, chairs, Almira. These are the noun. And what are the pronouns? In place of noun, we use the words, it is called pronoun. He, she, it, they, etc. These are pronoun. Let's talk about how many types of adjectives. I have some types of adjectives here. We will learn many more. First I have proper adjectives. Indian, African, American. A person who lives in India, it is called Indian. Lives in Africa, African. Lives in America, American. So these are proper adjectives. These are called proper adjectives. The next one I have adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Honest man. This honest shows the quality of this man. Honest man, smart man, tall man, beautiful girl. These are the adjectives. It is quality that shows the quality of noun or pronoun. Large building. There is a large building. It is large building. So this word shows the quality of this building. Big city. These are the words. These are adjectives of quality which show the qualities of noun or a pronoun. Let's move on others. Adjectives of quantity. Whole, some, enough, entire, all. You can add some more. Whole, these are the quantity. The whole time is wasted by him. So you can use these words, whole, some, enough. These called the quantity, adjectives of quantity. Let's move on others. Adjectives of number. 1, 2. These are cardinal and first, second, etc. It is called ordinal. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 books. These are cardinals. First, second. He came first in running competition. So here it is cardinal, it is ordinal, and it is definite. It is definite numbers. It shows the definite number. Let's move on others. The next one I have interrogative adjectives. Whose, which, what. It is interrogative sentences. You can make interrogative sentences like whose books are there on the table? Whose shoes are there on the shoe rack? Which one? It is my bed. Which is your one? what. So you can make all these sentences and it shows the interrogative adjectives. The next one I have exclamatory adjectives. What a beautiful girl. It is not interrogative sentence, guys, but it is exclamatory adjectives. What a beautiful girl. What a big city. So here the word beautiful, it shows the adjectives of this noun. Big city, it is adjectives. Big is the adjective which shows the city. The last one I have possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective, when you show the ownership of something, it is called possession. Possessive adjective. He is his brother. She is her sister. It's their room. This pen is mine. This is my pen. So these are called possessive adjectives. So friends, it was the lesson of adjectives, determiners. It brings me to the end of the lesson today. I hope you like my video. You enjoy my session. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any query or comment, please write me on comment box. I will come soon with the next lesson. Till then,